That's good stuff, isn't it?
If someone clicks on a YouTube video and they don't, like, they're not in your class, like someone from somewhere else comes across it, someone's not gonna be
What?
like, someone comes across that video on YouTube, like just a random person who doesn't even go here or something. That's not gonna.
They're gonna wonder about you.
We wonder.
Y'all wonder about me.
Tell
Tell them to take a number. Wait in line. That's a.
Read the comments on this.
What's the name about the YouTube?
And you know, people love physics videos.
Oh, is that right?
Because that's what we get on YouTube for.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if I'm just sitting on a room, that's the first thing.
Good. Good stuff. All right. So back to buoyancy. Why are you pushed back toward the top of the water? Y'all can thank Jeremy for this question.
Thank you, Jeremy.
Yeah, less dense in the water that is being put. That's being not
Water pressure acts
All
in all
right.
directions.
Water pressure does act in all directions. Why?
Down you go.
HC. Why? Why will it be?
Because the pressure is equal to density times
And
There you go.
the bottom part of your body is deeper than the top of your body, so more pressure is below you. It's good stuff.
How do you float?
Well, if you remember, to float, you would have to be less dense than the water, right? So how do you achieve that?
So you just can't lay in the water and float?
Well, hold up now. Possibly. But how, my question is, how do you achieve being less dense than water?
Suck it in.
Yeah, if you inhale, take a deep breath,
And volume.
and hold it, that increases the what? Volume, okay. And remember, what did we say that density was? Well, it's not actually was, it still is. Density
Mass
is,
over volume. Oh, wait.
but we talked about it in terms of weight, right? So, by doing what to the volume makes you less dense? Increasing, yeah. If you increase the denominator of a fraction, you make the fraction itself smaller. Now, what else could help you to float?
A floaty.
Huh?
Watching ES. You have a contract.
What'd you say?
So a floaty.
A floaty. Okay, how does the floaty help?
adds volume.
It adds weight and volume, but it adds more volume per weight. He talked about that with the life jacket, right?
Yes.
He said you put on the styrofoam life jacket, and that helps. If you put on the lead life jacket, you increase your volume the same amount, but your weight increases.
Exponential.
Not necessarily exponentially, but more than what the volume would. You could try to be fat. I'm not talking about PHAT. Alright, that was funny. But anyway, alright, anyway, the more body fat you have, the more. See, I'm sorry, but
The easier you are.
I can't float because the steel there just won't stay on top of the water. So
how do steel boats float?
what now?
How do steel boats float?
How do steel boats float? By the shape, by being able to contain enough air to where the volume is increased over the weight. Do you remember what the density for water was?
1 gram per cubic centimeter.
Yeah, 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So if you can get enough air in there to take the place, then you've got a greater volume than weight.
Those videos are pretty good.
Yeah, it was. Did a good job of explaining it, didn't he? Explaining it. Yeah. Explaining it.
You a flunk of English if you
It's getting personal. I'm this close to hurting my feelings now. Bring on that English test. I could probably find some errors in their answer key.
I'm sure.
I found a lot of errors in their answer key.
Depends on if we're on actual grammar or coaching right now.
Is there any other kind of grammar?
correct grammar.
Oh. Grade your next test. All right. Is everybody okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's. So, anything else from that video that y'all want to discuss?